Hello, good evening friends. Today I am going to discuss the relationship between molarity and density. So formula I already wrote, that is we will solve some of the problem based on it. So what is the molality, student? When you are finding the small m, okay, so this small m is implies that this is the molality, and capital M, 1 by m, this is molality is denominator and molarity is also denominator. So this is capital M is molarity and density is numerator. And what is MB, student? B, always keep in mind, wherever we are considering always second case, that is solute. B for solute and A for solvent. Okay, student. Now what we can, so suppose it is MB. So capital MB means what is molar mass of solute? Molar mass of solute. Okay, molar mass of solute. And if it is Ma, so what will come the student here is molar mass of solvent. Molar mass of solvent. So that you keep in mind, student, what is the MB and MB. Now if you talk about this, student, that is what is the formula relation between molality and density. 1 by molality equal to density by molarity minus molar mass of solute upon 1000. So this, by keeping this formula, we are going to solve some of the problem. Let us see some problem. What are the problem, student? So question number 1, when you are talking about question, so the density of 2.03 molar solution. Here the question, the density of 2.03 capital M molar solution of acetic acid. Molecular mass they have given, student. Molecular mass 60 gram per mole. In water is how much, student? Density. How much density of water? 1.017 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the molality of solution. Question they are asking, calculate the molality of solution. Now student, with this formula you can calculate molality or molarity or density depending on what is given and what they are asking. Now students, you see what are the given in the problem. So here we are going to write the solution. Firstly, in the solution, when you are going to do solution, student, just write what are the given. So if you are writing, student, so the density of 2.03 molar. So first one is molarity given, student. Molarity of solution capital M given, how much, student? 2.03 of acetic acid. Molar mass of acetic acid given, student. So molar mass of acetic acid, how much is given, student? Molar mass of acetic acid. This is, student, solute in solvent water. So that is in bracket we are writing what, student? Solute is written as what, student? MB equal to how much, student, is given? 60 gram per mole. Okay, 60 gram per mole. Other things, what is given, student? Density is given, student. So density, how we write, student? Density D is equal to how much is given, student? 1.017 gram per centimeter cube. अब they are asking, student, small m. So how to do small m, student? I told you the formula. Okay, and formula was there, student. What was the formula? 1 by small m. Okay, we have 1 by small m is equal to D by capital M minus what is, student? Capital MB upon 1000. Up now you put the value. Small m they are asking, student. This is small m they are asking, and this is the capital M. So density they have given, student. How much density of water? 1.017. Okay, divided by molarity how much? 2.03 and minus MB, molar mass of solute. How much, student? They have given MB, how much? 60 gram, divided by 1000. Now you erase, student, and do the calculation. How can you do, student, calculation? By simplifying it. So 1 by m is equal to this one, this you multiply by 1000, student, top and bottom. So you will get the after 1 2 3 digits are there, to remove the decimal we are multiply by 1000 students. So 1017 divided by, it will come student 2030. This will come minus 1010 cancel out student. So what, how much is coming? 60 by 6 by 100. Again, what is for possible student, we can cut it out. And when you are cutting student, when you are doing cutting this, so 1 by m is coming, 1 by m equal to, it is coming 2.268. It is coming 1 by m is equal to 0.4410. Now if you are going to calculate m is equal to student, so how can we do here? M equal to, it is the cross multiplied, and when you are doing the cross multiplied student, so 1 by m, m will go this one, in numerator and denominator nothing is there, so that is 1. So you can do the calculation by the cross multiplying. So m is equal to 1 by 0.4410. So m is equal to how much will come student? If you are dividing, it is coming 2.268 molar. Okay, so this is the molality. Or you can write student, that is molality is equal to 2.268 small m. Small m is the unit of the molality. So this is all about this problem student. Now let us solve one more problem and try to understand the formula. So the same formula we will apply student. Let us see the other. So one more question, if you are talking about the question number 2 student. What is question number 2? 0.8 molar solution of H2SO4. 0.8 molar solution of H2SO4 has a density, how much density is there student? 1.06 gram per centimeter cube. 1.06 gram per centimeter cube has a density 1.06 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the molality. Now student, they are asking small m, and what is given? To solve this type of problem, firstly you write down the data is given. So what are given student? You see, the given is the molarity given student. Molarity, how much given student? Capital M, that is 0.8 molar solution. So 0.8 molar is given. Solution of H2SO4. So what is solute? So here you can calculate student molar mass of solute. So how much molar mass of solute? That is what we can write MB. So how much there is student? H2SO4. If you want to calculate H2SO4, so hydrogen 2 into hydrogen, that is 1, plus sulfur is 32, plus 4 into oxygen, how much is student? 16. So how much is coming student? If you do this one, it will come 98. Okay, this is unit is gram per mole. So molar mass we got student. Density they have given student. How much density is there? Density, this is small d equal to 1.06. Now we have to put this value in the formula, so we will be able to get the molality. So molality formula, I told you the relation student. 1 by small m is equal to d by capital M minus, what is student? MB upon 1000. So 1 by small m is equal to density 1.0. How much is there student? 0.6. 1.06. Molarity 0. How much is there student? 0.8 molar minus MB is given student, that is molar mass of solute is 98, divided by, that is 1000 from the formula student. Now this we have to calculate. Only one variable is there, 1 by m. So if you are calculating 1 by m student, how much it is coming? If you check, 1 by m is coming 1.227. It is coming 1.227. Now student, how to calculate the m? So if you want to calculate, here nothing is there, so 1 student, and you cross multiply it. So what you will get student? So m is equal to will come student, m is equal to that is 1 upon 1.227, and if you are calculating student it is coming 0.814 molar. So therefore molality is equal to what student, 0.814 small m. This is our answer. So this is all about the relationship between molarity and density student. Thank you so much for watching friends.